welcome to Canias CIP. In order to use the PRET01 operation flows transaction, type PRET01 to the search bar. This transaction allows the presentation and control of the entire workflow of a company in an understandable way by accessing the transactions and relevant documents in the system easily and quickly through their workflows. As seen here, this transaction consists of comprehensive diagrams showing all processes in the workflow. Information about the module can be seen by pressing the Info button on the module on the diagram or leaving the cursor on the module for a few seconds. In this example, the SOL sales transaction in the diagram will be used to track and control the transactions related to the sales module. On this new screen, processes related to the sales module appear. Depending on the selected process, the screen can switch to sub-processes diagram or process-related operations can be seen on the right. Now, for example, when sales costs is selected, operations related to sales costs are displayed on the right. When one of the operations is selected, such as the sales target, the parameters are to be entered and then you can click the Start button. The information about sales targets will be displayed on the SILT82 sales targets transaction according to the entered parameters. Now, when sales management is selected, it is possible to see how the processes related to sales management are sequentially processed and which document is converted into which document and its connections with other modules on this sub-process diagram. Similarly, when a transaction is selected here, such as normal order, the relevant operations appear on the right. However, this time around, if the selected operation is a more complex one, like creating a document instead of displaying information, after entering the relevant parameters and then clicking Start button, the rest of the necessary information will be required to be entered by the user. The user can then click Save button to save the document. If information about the operations is required, it is possible to get the help document and the help video of the relevant operation by clicking the Help button next to the relevant operation.